everybody, Dominique back with another video today. Welcome back. As you can see by the title, today's video will be me trying to attempt to apply lashes. Now, in previous videos, I had disclaimed that I cannot put on lashes. I can't wear them correctly. I can't put them on correctly. They always fall off. It just, every time it's a fail. So today we're going to see if it's a fail or not. So let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so I already opened up the lashes, but the lashes are by Almine. Almine Remi lashes, 100% human hair. The style number is 747S. Here's the packaging, and I also got it by my local beauty supply store. It was $1.99, 20% off. So it was, I think I probably paid like $140 or something. But yeah, they're so. Yeah, like I said, they're Remi lashes, human hair. The brand is Almine, and this is how the lashes look. Not too much. I didn't want to do too much dramatic. I like little simple, thin type ones, not butterflies. And yeah. So of course it has the directions on the back. You know, check the fit, cut off what is too long, apply the glue, which I have, the adhesive, and apply the lashes. Pretty simple, 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure everybody knows. So today, let's see if it's a fail or not. So I'm gonna take my left lash. Oh Lord. Hopefully this is not a fail. Alright, open my glue here. I hope you guys have checked out my previous videos that I have posted within the Mondays that have passed. Of course, you know I upload every Monday. In due time, I probably change that day. And probably won't. Probably just be every Monday. Probably Monday and a Thursday. But I work at a very busy place. So, you know, hopefully I can stick to it. Of course, I'm not trying. Of course, my best. But, you know, Mondays as of right now. So I have the glue on the lash, and I do have some tweezers. I had some tweezers. See, by the time I found the tweezers, the glue going. See, I can never be great. By the time I found the tweezers, the glue will be dry. No, it's not. Okay, I got some tweezers. Of course, tweezers gonna be easy to apply, so let's hope for the best. Like, cause, child. How do I feel about this? Ooh, I'm very bright. Yes, child. Ooh, I'm very bright right now. There we go. Alright. Of course, you're gonna try. Y'all, if I get this on the first try, you can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna be... Oh! I'm gonna be the last... Okay, well, the first try is over with, so I can't do that. And I'm looking down in another mirror, so if I'm out of frame, I do apologize. Hold on, wait. I think the glue dried. What if I do my eye like this? Will this help? I don't think so. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe that did. I'm gonna take the... Ooh, hold on, y'all. If I do... Y'all, I done lost the damn... Oh. We're gonna try applying some more glue, because I feel like but you do about to let the glue dry a little bit before applying it. So I am doing that correctly. I know the basics, but see my girl Ivana, she's the last queen. She's supposed to be helping me. She is the lash queen. My hair is sitting here about to get stuck to the lash. But, ooh. Why on... You guys! That wasn't even purposely for me to place that right there. Let me not talk. Focus. Focus. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? Why is it on completely wrong? But you know what? I don't even care. Because guess who's going to finesse it? Me. Press that right there. Press that down. Dang it, the tip need more glue. Oh my god, it's not even on. Oh wait, yes it is. You guys, y'all can see the flaw, can you? It won't stay down. Like, I don't know. See? Oh, almost had it. We're gonna try again. Third time's the charm, right? Apply a little bit more glue. And if I get the first one on, it's over. It's over. We ain't about to take 10 minutes to do this. We not. Dry, dry, dry. Uh-huh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Am I up close? Am I in frame? Y'all, so y'all see me struggling. That is so embarrassing. Hold on. What? Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. I got tears in my eyes. Because, you know, I'm applying them with tweezers. So while I was trying to rush and hurry up and get it before it dried, look at my eyes. I picked up a clip like it was a tweezer and pinched my eyelid. Y'all, I'm so done. Like, oh my god, I want to cry. Like my eyes want to just run because it pinched it so bad. But look, it's on. It might not be on right, but it's on. Y'all, I really thought this was a tweezer, and I real live all the way in, and it just clipped. What are you doing, girl? Y'all probably saw a whole bunch of nonsense. Guess we got the lash on. Okay, right lash. Let me hurry up and do this before my confidence goes away. Okay, right lash. Got the glue going on right now. I might have just put too much goddamn glue. I might have put too much. I got the other lash on, y'all. My eye won't stop watering because I pinched my eyelid. This is such a fail. Like, but hold on. I don't want to blink my eye and it might look trashy. If I blink and y'all can see all the mistakes. But y'all, look. This one better than this one. Look, that one lifting like a gust of wind come and just I got the lashes on. And I like this style. Oh my god, let me fix this ugly lash. Cause y'all probably gonna judge me. She gonna walk around with this daggone lash lifting like that. Like you don't know somebody who did. So I'm like walking around with about four lashes on their little extensions, walking around here about 4 of them left on that eyelid, hanging by a thread, honey. I like it. This one is better than this one. Should I just rip it off and just do it? I don't feel like it. But I applied lashes decently. I'm not gonna say the best, but I will say decently. And I am very proud of myself. You know, oh Lord, and I wear glasses. I'm a blind bat. So who gonna see it? Ooh. Clean my glasses on. I'm blind. So who really gonna see my lash? Who really gonna see 4 eyes? Who gonna see it? You gonna know about it, 4 eyes? You're gonna know about it. Yes, you. With the Rudolph nose. Oh. You ain't gonna notice. You know. But yeah, you all. I applied lashes. So do you think this was a fail? A good attempt? Or just all bad? Let me know. I think it's a okay. On a scale of 1 through 10. I give myself a 7. Yeah, I give myself a 7 because I give myself a 7. Well, my light. A 7 works. Yes. Anyway, you guys, the lashes is on. That means it is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. this little comedy of a try on some lashes. Like I said before, the brand is Almine Remi Lashes, 100% human hair, style number 747S. This is how it looks, and the lashes, and that's how they look. Y'all, look at, done. Goodbye. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be afraid to share. Thanks for watching. Deuces.